Welcome to Aarti's Education. In this video, we are going to learn question number 4, 5, 6 in practice set 32. This is the second part of practice set 32. Let's start to solve the questions. Fourth question is, Kusumtai bought 80 cookers at rupees 700 each. Transport cost her rupees 1280. If she wants a profit of rupees 18,000, what should be the selling price per cooker? Here the question is little bit different. We should find here selling price. So let's write the given information first, and we are going to calculate the total cost price of that 80 cookers. The amount of one cooker is 700 rupees, 700 to one cooker, and he bought 80 such cookers. So we have to multiply this. 80 is number of cookers. 80 zeros are 0. 87s are 560. So 56,000 rupees is the price of 80 cookers. This is purchasing cost. Now we have to find out the total cost, because Kusumtai spent rupees 1280 on transport. So transport cost should be included in purchasing cost. Total cost price is equal to 56,000 plus 1280. Let's add these two. The sum is 0, 8, 2, 6 plus 1, it's a 7, and 5. 57,280 rupees is the total cost price. Now she wants a profit of rupees 18,000. So profit is given here. Profit is equal to 18,000 rupees, and we have to find out selling price of per cooker, means selling price of one cooker. So let's write the formula first. The formula of profit is equal to selling price, or you can write it as a SP, minus cost price. Let's place the values in the formula. Selling price we don't know. Profit we know it. It is 18,000. Right here SP for selling price. We have to find it. And cost price is, take a total cost price. It is a 57,280. Now these are the two sides of this equation. Let's add 18,000 plus 57,280. So on right hand side we have only selling price here. Now the sum is 8 plus 7, it's a 15. 1 is carry forward. 5 plus carried 1, 6 plus 1, it's a 7. So the selling price of 80 cooker must be 75,280. Now the main question is, what should be the selling price of per cooker? To find out the selling price of per cooker, we have to divide 75,280 by 80 cookers. Let's divide it. we find that 8 ones are 8, 8 nines are 72, 8 fours are 32, and 8 ones are 8. This is the SP of one cooker, that is 941 rupees. Now next question. The question is, Indrajit bought 10 refrigerators at rupees 12,000 each and spent rupees 5,000 on transport. For how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make a profit of rupees 20,000? So here also we are going to take same procedure of question number 4. Let's write the given information and find the total cost that Indrajit bought 10 refrigerators. So the cost of one refrigerator is given 12,000 rupees. So we have to multiply 12,000 by 10. So we get 1,20,000 rupees. And we have to add for total cost price, transport cost. It is this is 1,20,000 plus we have to add transport cost. It is 5,000. 1,25,000 is the total cost here. Now they gives us that to make a profit of rupees 20,000, for how much should he sell each refrigerator? So profit is given here. He have to make a profit, that is 20,000 rupees. Let's write the formula here. We have to find the selling price of each refrigerator. Let's write the formula of profit and place the values in the formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Profit is 20,000. Selling price we don't know. Minus cost price is 1,25,000. So while we take this 1,25,000, its sign will be changed. It converted into addition, plus 1,25,000 is equal to SP now. So while adding these two, we get the sum here 1,45,000 as a SP. This is the selling price of 10 refrigerators. So to find price of one refrigerator, we have to divide the selling price 1,45,000 by number of refrigerators. So the selling price of one refrigerator is 14,500 rupees. Now next question, question number 6. It's a Lalitabai sowed seeds worth rupees 13,700 in her field. She had to spend rupees 5,300 on fertilizers and spraying pesticides and rupees 7,160 on labor. If on selling her produce she earned rupees 35,400, what was her profit or her loss? Question number 6, answer is total cost price. For total cost price, we have to add sold seeds worth rupees 13,700, spends on fertilizers and pesticides, it's 5,300, and labor charges are 7,160. Let's add it. It's a 0, 6, 3 plus 1, it's a 4 plus 7, it's 11, 1 is carry forward, 7 plus 1, it's a 8, plus 5, it's a 13, plus 3, it's a 16, again 1 is carry forward, and 1 plus 1, it's a 2. So the total cost price is 26,160 rupees. Now the given information is she earned rupees 35,400. What was her profit or her loss? So she earned means this is the selling price of the product is equal to 35,400 rupees. Let's compare these two cost. The total cost price means CP is 26,160 and SP is 35,400. When we compare these two, we find that SP is greater than CP. So in this transaction, Lalitabai have a profit. Let's find the actual amount of profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 35,400 and the cost price is 26,160. Let's subtract these two amounts. 0, 10 minus 6, it's a 4. 3 minus 1, it's a 2. Then 15 minus 6, it's a 9. And 2 minus 2, it's a 0. 9,240 rupees is the profit here. This is the solution of practice set 32. Hope you understand. Practice this type of questions very well and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. See you in next video.